Hello everyone, it is multimedia, the subtopic called the multimedia devices. If one can remember that last time we had a discussion about the types of multimedia devices, so in this subtopic we have three things to go. We have covered one, we have two things now to go. Number one, it's about the minimum requirements for multimedia. That will be number one for today. And number two will be application area for multimedia. Now, let us look on multimedia computer system. A multimedia computer system is a computer system capable to process, to store, and produce a multimedia content. Now it's about minimum requirement for multimedia system. A multimedia system is any multimedia computer system should be characterized by having a hardware and software with the following features. Number one, a very high processing capacity. The CPU installed in our computers should have a very high processing speed because it needs to process large amount of data. As you know, multimedia content like a video contains a very large amount of data. So the CPU should have a very high speed. Number one. Number two, large storage capacity. Our storage devices like hard disk should have a large, huge storage capacity to keep this multimedia contents like video, audio, and graphics. Number two. Number three, high efficient input and the output devices. We need a very high quality and efficient input and output devices that can help us to capture multimedia events to process and produce it. So these input and output devices should be able to support the process of producing multimedia. Like we need a colored printer that can be used to print a multimedia with varied colors. Number one. Number two, a microphone, a very high quality microphone that can capture a sound from the presenter. Number one. Number two, a digital camera that can be used to capture a clear, moving and still picture. Number three. Now it's about number four, high quality display devices. Output devices like monitor and projector should have a high resolution with a clarity image, clarity picture. The monitor and the projector that can show a very high clarity image and videos to the audience. Number four. Number five, high quality sound system. Our computer should be connected with high quality sound system like speakers that can support a very high quality sound that everyone, the audience, they can hear the sound very clearly. Number five. Number six, computer should be installed with a special operating system that can support variety of application programs designed for multimedia. And this operating system should be user-friendly, that the user of this computer can able to use to the maximum, to utilize the application programs and the other programs in the computer to the maximum to design and produce this multimedia. Number seven, it's software tools or software application programs that is capable to process graphics, audio, video, animation, and the other multimedia contents. And a very good examples of software required for multimedia is like a window movie maker that can be used to process a video or movies. We have Adobe Photoshop that is capable to design graphics. We have Adobe Photoshop Premiere, which is capable to process both graphics, animations, and videos, and so many others that can be used to produce this multimedia contents. So you can explore to the internet and find some more other software tools or software programs that can be used to process or to design and manipulate or produce multimedia content. This will mark the end of our subtopic, and it's about the areas where multimedia can be used, application areas for multimedia. Multimedia can be used in every sector of the society. Everywhere we use our multimedia. Every day now we use multimedia. For example, in our entertainment industry, where we can find the films, we can find short entertainment clips, musics, and so on and so forth. Multimedia can be used to prepare these contents, such as video, audios, and graphics. In broadcasting media like television or radio or live streaming like YouTube and the other channels like Instagram, we can produce multimedia and publish or display or broadcasting by using this multimedia. For example, in the television, you can see moving pictures, you can see still pictures. That's the art of multimedia. Likewise, in education sectors, we can use this multimedia technology to prepare teaching and learning materials or teaching and learning contents and adverts. Like we can advertise the program that are offered in our school. We can prepare multimedia content that can be used to invite students to join in our school. Another area that multimedia can be used in, it is in engineering sector, which can be used to prepare simulation for various prototypes, such as buildings and aircraft. When I say a prototype, is an object which is not real, that can reflect or that can represent a real object. For example, we want to design an airplane that can carry 100 or 1,000 passengers. Before we go to the field and starting designing this airplane, we should prepare a prototype, something that can look like the real airplane. So we can use this technology to prepare a simulation to see the way they can land off or they can fly and so on and so forth. Also, buildings like houses, we can use this multimedia to prepare something that can look like a building that we want to design. Another area is health sector. Remember, simulation is relevant almost in every sector. In health sector, let's say maybe we want to deliver or to demonstrate the way digestion can take place in our bodies. In fact, by using our naked eyes, we cannot able to see what is going on in our bodies. So instead, we can prepare a simulation to see the way our food are digested, the way our blood are circulated in our bodies. So we can use this multimedia. Also, we can prepare adverts. We can prepare information that are relevant to the public about the health issues. In business, also, we can prepare adverts or advertisements to the clients to invite them to come and shop or to buy our goods. We can prepare online contents relating to our business. In scientific research center, also we can use a multimedia. In public places like in markets, we can use posters, we can use brochures to produce a multimedia that can guide the public that on how maybe to take measures about maybe a COVID-19, how to protect ourselves, and so on and so forth. You have seen a variety of video clips, variety of audios, variety of graphic arts that demonstrate to the audience on how to take measures, on how to protect ourselves against this pandemic disease, coronavirus 2019. Another one is a temporal application. We can prepare adverts to invite people to apply for a certain job in a different organization. So this point will mark the end of our subtopic. Now let us have a reflection exercise that will be used to evaluate on how much we have achieved from this subtopic. So now a student should be able to explain Why do you think multimedia can be so important in school, health sectors, entertainment sector, and in engineering industries? You suggest 2 reasons in each area. Number 2, multimedia. Why multimedia require computer system equipped with high efficient CPU, RAM, large storage capacity, user-friendly operating system, and a good sound system. Number 3, list and specify at least 5 examples of software required for multimedia. I'm mentioning a software, it's not enough. You should be able to